Hi all of you, a very good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Take in Maths. मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में JEE इंटीग्रेशन PYQ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ. Here one of the question asked in 27th August 2021 शिफ्ट 1 का ये क्वेश्चन है. So here इंटीग्रेशन क्या है हमारा dx by x square plus x plus 1 the whole square equal to a tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus b 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 प्लस सी. सो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है कि ए और बी की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है एंड देन वी हैव टू एवेल्यूएट 9 टाइम्स इन ब्रैकेट रूट 3 ए प्लस बी. सो टू इंटीग्रेट दिस व्हाट आई विल डू हियर इज आई जस्ट राइट आई इंटीग्रेशन इक्वल टू डी एक्स बाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 द होल स्क्वायर, राइट, होल स्क्वायर. So I will just make this in bracket the perfect square. So for that what I will do here is x square. So I write this as 2 1 by 2 into x. So b is 1 by 2, so I write here 1 by 2 the whole square and minus 1 by 2 the whole square and then plus 1 then whole square. Okay, so this becomes what, यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या हो जाता है डी एक्स बाई ये वाला रिजल्ट क्या हो गया x प्लस 1 by 2 the whole square, x plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1, that is what 3 by 4 the whole square. Now I can also write this as dx by, इसको मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ x plus 1 by 2 whole square, x plus 1 by 2 whole square and 3 by 4 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ root 3 by 2 the whole square and then whole square. So here the type is what, basically when it is the type of a square plus x square or x square plus a square, then we put basically what, we put x equal to a tan theta. Okay, so here integration, what we have the integration basically dx by हमारे पास क्या है यहाँ पे x plus 1 by 2 the whole square, x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. So a is here root 3 by 2, right? So we just put x plus 1 by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 tan theta, right, this one. So that differentiate करने पे ये वाला रिजल्ट क्या हो जाएगा dx, ये 1 हो गया, ये 0 हो गया. Here what, root 3 by 2 10 का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो गया sec square theta d theta by dx. So from here what do we get, हमें dx क्या मिल रहा है, dx जो है वो मिल रहा है root 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta, right? So we can write this I integration को क्या लिखूंगा मैं, I integration को मैं लिखूंगा यहाँ पे root 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta. Okay, divided by what, divided by यहाँ पे क्या है x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 is what, root 3 by 2 tan theta the whole square. So ये क्या हो जाएगा 3 by 4 tan square theta, right? And this is what 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4 then whole square. So now what I can do here is ये क्या हो गया root 3 by 2, ये हो गया हमारा sec square theta d theta. Okay, I can take 3 by 4 common, so 3 by 4 common, so 3 by 4 the whole square, right? Basically I can just take this one, okay, out. So tan square theta plus 1 अपने पास हुआ and then whole square. Okay, tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. So I can write this as, मैं क्या लिखूंगा I integration जो है वो हमारा नुमरेटर वाला पार्ट क्या है root 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta. डिनोमिनेटर वाला पार्ट क्या है हमारा, डिनोमिनेटर वाला पार्ट हो गया ये 9 by 16, right? This is what here 3 by 4, so whole square, so 9 by 16 and sec square tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta and the whole square, so that becomes what, sec to the power 4 theta, right? So यहाँ से मैं कैंसिल कर दूँ इसको तो ये क्या हो जाएगा sec square theta. So I can write this as, ये क्या हो गया हमारा root 3 by 2. यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो रिजल्ट है what we have here is the integration, यहाँ पे integration क्या हो गया, integration this is what root 3 by 2, this is what 16 by 9 and 1 by sec is what, 1 by sec is cos, so this is what cos square theta d theta. So we can cancel this out, so this is what here 8. Okay, so we can take this out, so 8 root 3 by 9 and cos square theta. So for cos square theta we can write 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Okay, now again I can cancel this, so this is 4, so we can write this as 4 root 3 by 9 and integration of d theta is theta and cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2. Okay, fine. So now we can write this as 4 root 3 by 9, this is what here theta, okay, plus 1 by 2. Sine 2 theta in terms of tan, the formula is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So I write this formula here, okay, and plus c, obviously plus c, constant of integration, right? So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So now what I can write this as 4 root 3 by 9. This is what theta. So theta plus we have here the tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus c. Okay. Now what we can do here is we have just substituted the x, what we have substituted as a tan theta. So that is what x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 tan theta. So I write here that x plus 1 by 2 equal to what, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 tan theta. So from here we can write this as 2x plus 1 by 2, 2x plus 1 by 2, this is what, root 3 by 2 tan theta, okay. So if we cancel this 2 and 2, so tan theta, we get tan theta equal to what, 2x plus 1 by root 3. Tan theta is 2x plus 1 by root 3. From here we can get theta, that is what, tan inverse 2x plus 1 by what, root 3. So we will substitute this value in the integration that we have obtained here. That is what, 4 root 3 by 9. So I write here 4 root 3 by 9, okay, 4 root 3 by 9. And theta, for theta we will write what, theta we will write tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3, and then we have plus here, and that is what, tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So tan theta is this one, so tan theta, so I write here the 2x plus 1 by root 3 and divided by 1 plus tan square theta, so 2x plus 1 by root 3 the whole square, okay, the whole square. Fine. So now we have to simplify this, basically just multiply this. So this is what, 4 root 3 by 9 tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3, okay, root 3. This side plus 4 root 3 by 9, right, 4 root 3 by 9, and this will be, if you simplify this, so we can write this as what, 1 by root 3, and if you take the LCM, this is 3 plus, okay, so 3 will go up, so 3 in this side here, 2x plus 1, and in denominator what we have here, this is what, basically 3 plus 2x plus 1 whole square, we can cancel this root 3 to root 3, this 3 and 3, this 9 by this 3, so this is 3, okay. Now we need to simplify this, so I just write this, the I integration now, I integration equal to 4 root 3 by 9, tan inverse, right, tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3, then what we have, plus we have here the 4 by 3, this is what, 4 by 3, so I write here the 4 by 3, okay, 4 by 3, and into what, 2x plus 1, divided by, we just simplify this, so 3 plus 2x plus 1 the whole square, 3 plus 2x plus 1 the whole square, so that is 4x square plus what, 4x, okay, plus 1. So you can write this as, this is what, 4 root 3 by 9 tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus 4 by 3, this is what, 2x plus 1, here 4x square plus 4x plus 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, so we can take 4 common, so this become x square plus x plus 1, so and 4 get cancelled. So this is 4 root 3 by 9, tan inverse 2x plus 1, by root 3, and this is what, plus 1 by 3 into what, 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. Now we need to compare, because we have just obtained the result, plus c is there, okay, that is the constant of integration, plus c. Okay, now we have to compare the result, final result of this to the result we have given. So a tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3, b times 2x plus 1 by x square plus 1 x plus 1 plus c. So a and b we can get from here, so a and b we can get from here. So a is your 4 root 3, by 9, okay, and b is your 1 by 3, right. What we need to find? We need to find here, if you see, we need to find here 9 times root 3a plus b. 9 times, okay, 9 times. We need to find here the 9 times. What we have to, we need to find here the 9 times root 3a plus b. So just putting the value here a and b. So 9 times root 3, a is what? A is your 4 root 3 by 9, and b is what? 1 by 3. Okay. So root 3 and root 3 becomes 3, and this is cancelled. 9 is cancelled by this 3, so 3. Okay, so we have 9 here, 9, and in bracket what? In bracket 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 3, 5 by 3. So cancel this, right, 3 times. So 3 into basically 3 into 5, that is 15. Okay, so final answer for this question is 15. So the answer for this question is 15. Hope you will be clear with this solution. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Okay, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel so that I can upload more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.